Hello viewers, I hope you are doing good and continuously learning at your own pace. In our last video, we wrote selectors for order summary view. This is our shopping cart page where we will see the order summary and checkout button. So in today's video, I will teach you how we can show the order summary view using the selectors that we have wrote. So let's create an order summary component. Therefore, let's use Angular CLI to create the brand new component now. In case you are interested to download the source code, slides and step-by-step guide, then make sure you do subscribe to the Elite or Pro plan available in the Full Stack Master. Open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. And do you remember which CLI script we use for creating Angular component? And I believe we have created an order summary nicely. Let me know if you have any doubts or questions. Thank you. Hi viewers, it's me Rupesh and I appreciate that you want to learn Mean.js seriously. So I want to congratulate you first for your determination. If you want to learn more from me, I highly encourage you to enroll my JavaScript courses in Full Stack Master School. You can watch this entire course and many JavaScript in-depth courses as many times as you want. You can watch your favorite courses online or offline, mobile iOS app and Android phone for on-the-go learning. The course comes with plenty of hands-on coding and many interview questions answered with practical industry standard solution. In case you are interested, the link is in the video description below. Have a great day and I am very excited to teach you in Full Stack Master School. See you there.